Hey, Elberethian Aberrat here with another unboxing, and this time we've got another Squishalongs. Okay, so if you saw the previous video, they're ridiculously freaking cute, but also the packaging is the worst. The packaging is just the worst to open. So we're going to open it the best we can, but if not, we'll just do what we can. Gosh, I did want to look at it a little bit though. So I do actually have a Benny, like in real life, like the actual Squishmallow. He's my favorite. I collect, personally for my own gratification, Bigfoot Squishmallows because their feet are so little and they're like the only ones with feet. I love them. There's a lion, there's a donut, black cat. Is that a key lime pie? We've got like a chipmunk. The little fox is adorable. We've got a little Nemo clownfish. Everybody is super cute. We've got some accessories. They're very cute. And then the back, mix and match accessories. They also go on rings, which is a weird thing, but also I'm a grown woman with grown woman ring size fingers. These do not fit. They don't fit me. It says they have Jenny, Waverly, Junies, the banana. Waverly looks like a bee, a butterfly. A butterfly is more blue. Deja, Fifi, Charlize, Hans, Ricky, Winston. Winston's one of the classics. Jamal, Leonard, Largo, Aqua, and the Hidden Figure. Series 1. There's so many to collect. I found some more. I was so excited to actually get them. Like the actual mystery packs. They have some actual mystery packs that are supposed to be really... I'm excited. I'm excited to actually open all of the mystery packs. So, oops. They come in this... You would think it'd be easy to open, but it's not. And I'm gonna leave them in here because it's annoying to try to get them all out. You got some rings. This is a little bow. It goes on their heads. Maybe I'll open them. We've got some glasses. Oh, that's actually impressive that they have. These are see-through. They're foggy, but they're see-through glasses. Like, I don't know how well you can see that they're see-through. And then it looks like they sit in this. I can't figure out what this is supposed to be. Let me see if I can get better light on this. And then my lights, there we go. That's gotta be better. I don't even know what this is. Let me see, what kind of stuff do I have that I can pry? I should have thought of this before. I don't want to use scissors. I don't want to use all of my random tools. Oh, here's an Eve from one of the Disney Doorables. She's one of my favorites. Not a part of this, just showing off what's on my desk. I guess a pen, maybe. I know my sensory is a little bit off today, and so I don't want to make big loud noises, which doesn't make sense for now that I want to open. Oh, hey, this isn't bad actually. Not bad. Okay. There we go. Anyways, people with sensory issues, how do you handle bad packaging that makes you like, oh no, it's loud, oh no, I don't want to get into it, bad sensations? Because right now this is giving me a headache and I've just started. That's what happens when you got autism and sensory. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is the worst. I do not like it. I can't do this. Sorry for being quiet. Oh, this guy's a sloth. That's so cool. Just send him flying everywhere. I will have to take some scissors or something to the sloth. This is not vibing. But you know, he's in here, you know he's cute. But what you all wanted to come here for is for the mystery thing, of course. Comes in a lovely packaging, just one. It's a cat! Oh, that's an adorable little bingo cat. Little domino cat with the domino eye. He's very cute. Very ridiculously cute. Oh, gosh. Alright, who is Mystery Cat? There we go. Charlie. Charlie's right there. That's very cute. It's very, very cute. And as you can see, these buddies also seem to all come in this line. So I would think that all of these would like all of these that come together, like these sets are set up in such a way that they just kind of like all belong together. Like they come pre-packaged. I haven't gotten any duplicates of these big sets, so I can't tell you for sure if they come like that, but that's what I would think. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys the cloud is very cute. You can put it any way, any direction. It's very cute. Whatever this is, I really don't know. Is this like a bowl of spaghetti? I do not understand. Let's put your glasses on. A little wonky, but it's cute. It's so cute. And then the bow. You can have it as a bow that goes on top, or as like a bow tie. Also fits. They're plastic, and so they fit pretty well. And then if you're wondering of how the ring goes, you see it has the base like that, and then they have this key sort of feature, and each Squishmallow has one of these keys on their bottoms, and you line it up and you twist, and it just goes, and it fits on my the middle knuckle of my pinky. I think my ring finger and pointer finger is generally a size 8, 8.5, 9-ish women's rings. So whatever, I don't typically wear rings. I fidget too much. It makes me self-conscious. So, but yeah, those are those buddies. I think they're very cute. I'm really happy that they're going to be joining my collection. Do you guys have any other Squishalongs? Do you guys have a favorite Squishmallow? Do you collect any specifically or in general? Let me know. Leave a comment. Thanks for hanging out with me and struggling with me to get Aqua out, this little sloth out. I'm gonna have to just cut them out. Anyways, I hope you have a good day. You guys are awesome. Go be bad at something. Join me in being bad at things. Because you can't get good at anything until you're bad at it. Alright, have a wonderful day. Bye.